Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Ampere Shower Power Pro waterproof hydropower Bluetooth speaker. You might have gotten this at Brookstone, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory defaults on it. Now there's two main reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not connecting with your device, or if it is not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or otherwise not working, like it keeps disconnecting, we can fix a lot of these issues with a hard reset. Now you are going to need to set it up again because all of the pairing history will be deleted off of this speaker. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're trying to get a fresh start and you just want to wipe and delete the pairing history so you can set it up on new devices, we can do that really easily. All we need to do is come and find the Bluetooth button on there, and we're just going to press and hold the Bluetooth button for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, it will make an audible sound indicating that the reset is complete, and you can go ahead and set this speaker up as a new speaker.